In this guide, you will learn how to create a second YouTube channel under the same account. This is a convenient way to have multiple channels without the need to create a whole new Google or Gmail account. Whether you are creating a branded channel, managing different types of content, or simply want to separate your channels, this process is easy. First, go to the top right of YouTube and sign in if you're not already. Once signed in, click on your profile icon, then go to YouTube Studio. Now click on the settings icon given at the bottom left. Then head over to the option channel, navigate to the section Advanced Settings, scroll all the way down and you're going to find the option of Manage YouTube Account. Click on that. Now click on the option Create a New Channel. Now give it a name. Likewise, type in your handle name. If you want, you can also choose the profile picture and click on the option Create Channel. And just with that, you will be taken straight to the new channel. So this is how you can easily create a second YouTube channel under the same account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.